In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the IMO desktop application on your computer. The first step is to open your web browser and go to the official IMO website, which is IMO. Once you're on the home page, look for the download button or navigate to the download section, where you'll see options for different platforms such as Android, iOS, and PC. Since we want to install it on a laptop or desktop computer, click on the Windows or Desktop download option. At this point, the website will either redirect you to a new page or begin the download automatically. Your browser may ask you to choose a location to save the file, and it's best to select a place that you can easily find later, such as the Downloads folder or directly on your desktop. The file is relatively small, so the download should complete fairly quickly. Once the download is finished, it's time to move on to the installation process. Go to the location where the file was saved and look for the IMO exe file. Double-click on it to start the installer. If a user account control pop-up appears on your screen, simply click Yes to allow the program to make changes to your device. From here, the installation is very straightforward. A small installation window will appear, and the process usually runs automatically without requiring you to go through multiple setup screens. The installer will copy the necessary files and configure everything for you in just a short time. When the installation is complete, the IMO desktop application should launch automatically, and you'll also notice a new shortcut icon added either on your desktop or in your taskbar for quick access. At this point, you're ready to start using IMO on your computer. Thank you for watching this video.